Welcome back to Excel is Easy with NAV. Previously, we learned about how to enter data in a cell, and I briefly introduced you to the ribbon at the top. In today's video, we're going to learn how to format data in Excel. Proper formatting makes your data easier to read and understand. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to format cells. Select the cell or range of cells you want to format. You can change the font, size, and color using the options in the Home tab. To bold text, select the cell or range of cells you want to format, and then click the bold button in the toolbar, or press Ctrl+B. To change the font color, select the cell or range of cells, click the font color button in the toolbar, and choose your desired color. To adjust cell borders, select the cell or range of cells, click the Borders button in the toolbar, and choose the border style you prefer. Next, let's format numbers. Select the cells with numbers, then choose the desired format from the number group in the Home tab. You can format numbers as currency, percentage, date, and more. Let's look at an example. Suppose you have a list of expenses in column C. Select the cells, go to the number group, and choose Currency to format the numbers as currency. Here are a few tips to make formatting easier. Use the Format Painter to quickly copy formatting from one cell to another. Or right-click on a cell and choose Format Cells for more formatting options. You can play with the number formatting here, as well as change the alignment, border, font, fill color, and even protect the cell. But you will need to protect the worksheet first. Don't worry, we will cover that later. That's it for today's video. We've learned how to format cells and numbers in Excel, and we've explored some key formatting options. Practice these techniques to make your data more readable and visually appealing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time!